Hi guys and welcome to Cricket Talk. T20 is known as batsman's game and the biggest T20 league that is the Indian Premier League has also experienced the huge sixes and blockbuster hard hitting of the batsmen, and we often see 200 plus scores in a game. If there are huge scores like 220 and 230, there are high chances of teams winning by huge margins in the view of runs, because we see very few matches that go close when the target passes 220. So let's get started and see the top 10 largest victories by runs in IPL history. Number 10. Mumbai Indians vs Delhi Daredevils, 98 runs. MI scored 218 runs by the help of 37 balls 61 runs by Saurav Tiwari and 32 balls 63 runs from God Sachin Tendulkar. DD fumbled in the beginning only and were all out by the 17th over by scoring just 120 runs, giving Mumbai a 98 run victory. Number 9. Mumbai Indians vs Kolkata Knight Riders, 102 runs. The match was played at Eden Gardens, Kolkata. Mumbai Indians, by batting first, scored 210 runs courtesy Ishan Kishan's 21 balls 62 runs. KKR started well but lost wickets at regular intervals and were all out by the 19th over for 108, giving Mumbai Indians a 102 run victory. Number 8. Rajasthan Royals vs Delhi Daredevils, 105 runs. 2008, the inaugural season, was a great season for the Rajasthan Royals, and even though by scoring only 193 runs, they won by a huge margin against Delhi. Delhi did not had any chance against Rajasthan Royals bowlers and were all out for just 87 runs. By this victory, Rajasthan Royals made it to the finals of the 2008. Number 7. Kings 11 Punjab vs Royal Challengers Bangalore, 111 runs. 2011's one of the finest century came from Adam Gilchrist's bat. He scored 106 runs in 55 balls, and Punjab scored 232 runs, as Sean Marsh also scored 79 runs. RCB gave their best and started to smash the ball but could not surpass Punjab and were all out for 121. Number 6. Sunrisers Hyderabad vs RCB, 118 runs. 2019 saw the worst start by RCB as they lost their first 6 matches. One of them was against Hyderabad, where both the openers David Warner and Bairstow scored century each and scored 231 runs in total. With the hard bowling of the Sunrisers Hyderabad, RCB were all out for just 113. 5. Royal Challengers Bangalore vs Pune Warriors India, 130 runs. An unforgettable match in IPL history. The match which created a lot of records, in which Gale scored 175 runs in 66 balls, not out, and scored the fastest century of T20 in just 30 balls. There was a storm of sixes in the match in the evening at Bangalore. RCB scored a mammoth of 263 runs, in response to which Pune Warriors just scored 133 runs. Number 4. Royal Challengers Bangalore vs Kings 11 Punjab, 138 runs. This time again, Chris Gale scored another century, and AB de Villiers' 24 ball 47 runs made RCB set a target of 227 runs. The RCB bowlers also shined as they knocked out Kings 11 Punjab for just 88 runs. Number 3. Kolkata Knight Riders vs Royal Challengers Bangalore, 140 runs. The inaugural season and the inaugural match of the IPL was between Kolkata Knight Riders and RCB, which showed the world that IPL will be a successful tournament, where Wyndham McCullum scored 158 runs in 73 balls and KKR scored 222 runs in total. RCB were all out for just 82 runs in the match. Number 2. Royal Challengers Bangalore vs Gujarat Lions, 144 runs. Once again, it's RCB but against the Lions of Gujarat. Batting first, RCB lost Chris Gale early, but with the combined partnership of Virat and AB de Villiers of 126 runs, RCB set up 248 runs and both of them scored century. Gujarat Lions were out of the game from the beginning and were all out for just 104. Number 1. Mumbai Indians vs Delhi Daredevils, 146 runs. 2017 IPL match at Delhi between Mumbai Indians and Delhi Daredevils, where MI started attacking from the ball 1 and scored 112 runs in 20 overs. Spinners were the stars of the bowling for MI and made Delhi all out in 14th over for just 66 runs, and by this MI features on the top of this list. Hope you have liked the video. If you have, then please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.